Alright guys, so this is the Kobalt 2-piece silicone organizer tray with magnet. It is the item number 2884725, model number 81694. Now this does include two individual fully silicone trays, and they will not harm any painted surface. And I'll show you how they will actually stay to the side of a vehicle. It's actually amazing. Now the small one comes with a magnetic tray that you can take out if you want, and as you can see, it's got room for your hex bits right here. Very thick. It's a very heavy material that you can see here. It's not thin. Now the smaller tray measures 10.8 by 5.8 by 1 inch, and it has those 4 compartments and 14 spaces for bits. Your larger tray measures 10.9 by 9.7 by 1 inch, and it has 3 separate compartments and 6 spaces for smaller parts and sockets. Now it does say that this silicone construction will resist most common automotive chemicals, and it's easy to wash. So let's see what it does here with lacquer thinner. I've got some in a spray bottle, and put some on there. Hasn't done a thing, because I like to use lacquer thinner to clean grease and other dirt off. So this worked great. Now we'll try some on the back side. Let it set there for just a little bit. Absolutely no issues. So now let's check this out. I've got the hood of my Honda CR-V up, and as you can clearly see, it stays where you put it, which is nice because the silicone has a tackiness to it that allows it to grip a surface and yet not do any damage. I don't know if you can hear that. As it grips the painted surface.